Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're spotlighting what might just be the best heart-shaped pizza cutter on the market. But plot twist, it's actually a cookie cutter. The Ann Clark Extra Large Heart Cookie Cutter is here, and despite its humble cookie roots, it's winning hearts for its versatility, size, and quality craftsmanship. Let's take 5 minutes to break down what makes this tool a standout. First off, let's talk about design. This cutter is massive. It measures a full 5 inches from top to bottom. That's bigger than your standard cookie cutter and perfect for making bold, heart-shaped creations. While it's technically labeled for cookies, you can easily use it for shaping mini heart pizzas, pancakes, sandwiches, or even crafting projects like clay or felt cutouts. Its clean and deep edge makes it easy to press through thicker doughs, bread, or even cheese sheets, making it an ideal kitchen companion for creative cooks. Now onto the build quality. This heart-shaped cutter is made from certified food-safe American tin-plated steel, which means it's not only durable but also safe to use with all kinds of foods. Because it's handcrafted in the USA by Ann Clark Limited, a family business with over 30 years of experience, you're getting a product that's made with care, not churned out from a random factory. The steel has just the right balance of strength and flexibility, so it won't bend out of shape. And it's easy to clean with just a quick rinse and towel dry. What makes this more than just a tool is how it brings people together. Think Valentine's Day baking with the kids, or making themed party treats. This cutter is the kind of thing that turns an ordinary moment into a memory. And if you're someone who likes a little guidance, the product comes with a sugar cookie and icing recipe booklet. For visual learners, Ann Clark's Amazon store features decorating videos to get you inspired and confident in your cookie artistry. It's also important to note that Ann Clark is America's largest maker of cookie cutters. And they've earned that reputation by creating professional-grade baking tools that last. The brand is trusted by home bakers and pros alike, not just for cookie cutters, but for baking mixes, food coloring, and decorating tools. And let's not forget, you're supporting a small business. In a world full of mass-produced, low-quality kitchen gadgets, it's refreshing to know your purchase supports real craftsmanship. Whether you're a baking enthusiast, a parent planning a Valentine's party, or even someone looking for a fun gift, this extra-large heart cutter checks all the boxes. So to wrap it up, durable material, American craftsmanship, a generous size perfect for more than just cookies, and the heartwarming bonus of creating food that shows your love, literally. The Ann Clark Extra Large Heart Cookie Cutter is more than just a tool, it's an experience, and yes, we proudly crown it the best heart-shaped pizza cutter you didn't know you needed. That's it for today on Product Critique. If you liked this review and want more honest deep dives into kitchen tools and home essentials, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.